talk about the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. In this theorem, our so-called scientist Gauss talked about prime numbers and composite numbers. So basically, in our number system, we have two different types of numbers, that is prime number and composite number. So if we talk about prime numbers, we know very well that prime numbers have only two factors, that is 1 and the number themselves. So if we talk about, for example, 2, 2 have two factors, that is 1 and 2. Those अपनी first एक की टेबल में आता है 1 2 जा 2 and secondly 2 1 जा 2. So 2 के पास सिर्फ दो ही फैक्टर है. On the contrary, if we talk about composite number, for example 10, 10 के पास दो से ज़्यादा फैक्टर है. For example 1 की टेबल में 10 आता है, secondly 2 की टेबल में 5 times पे 10 आता है, then 5 की टेबल में 2 times पे 10 आता है, and the number 10 itself. If we note it down, then we have 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are the factors of 10. So our scientist Gauss talked about this. Now if we talk about the other thing, we have composite numbers. Our scientist said that every composite number can be represented as a factor of prime numbers. For example, if we talk about a composite number, that is 1000, then we can represent this number as 2 cube into 5 cube. So basically 2 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. These are the two numbers which are the least common multiple of 1. If we talk about some other number, for example 250, that is also a composite number. Now we are representing. Let us know first how to represent them in this form. So we have to find out their LCM like this. So we can represent 250 as 2 into 5 cube. We got 5 3 times and 2 only 1 time. So here we have 2 1 times and 5 3 times, that is 5 cube. So our scientists said that every composite number have a unique representation. You'll never find out that any other number having the same format of representing it in its prime factor format. Now let's solve some questions together. Pause the video, solve it yourself and then match the solution. So for example, for the very first we have 1600. Let's find out the lowest common multiple of 1600. So we can write 1600 as 2 to the power 6 into 5 square. Now next number we have 3125.
बस बोल क्या है छन दे रहा है आपने दे रहा था 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 16 17 18 19 20 21 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39
So we can write 3125 as 5 to the power 5. Now let's see the next number, that is 210. So we can write 210 as 2 into 5 into 3 into 7. Our next number, that is 225. We can write 225 as 5 square into the next number, that is 196. We can write it as 2 square into 7 square. Now the next number, that is 140. We can write it as 2 7 is 14.
ultra fast charging. बंद कर रखूंगा।
So we can write it as 2 square into 7 into 5. So you will notice one pattern that every composite number have a unique representation. There is no pattern that is common in any two numbers. So this is what a scientist talked about, that every composite number have a unique representation in its prime factors form.